This is Reverberations, the channel dedicated to highlighting historical insights and framing these past moments into our modern day lives. I am Colton, your host, and today's video will be an examination of powerful Incan mythological stories that can profoundly impact us in the modern world through their symbolic meanings and lessons. It has been a long time since my last video, but I'm proud to be here today to conclude the next chapter of Reverberations. All cultures consist of their own unique beliefs and worldviews, and it is important to remember cultural diversity when considering any number of historical groups or peoples. As we will see with the Incan world, these ideological systems range in size from the physical world of Earth to the universal explanations of the cosmos. Time for a journey to the high Andean mountaintops of South America. To discuss the lessons of such rich and diverse sagas and stories, we must first lay out the foundational makeups of the Incan religions. These belief systems were a facet in the unification of the Quechua people throughout the continent, ranging from the modern country of Colombia down to Argentina along the spine of the Andes Mountains. These shared motifs and depictions of myths, deities, and symbolic representations served as the basis for Incan cultural spread and general way of life. Starting with generalities about the Incan rites, it was a polytheistic pantheon with the divinities residing in one of three realms that exist. 1. Hanan Pacha, the celestial realm in the sky. 2. Uka Pacha, the inner earth realm. And 3. Ke Pacha, the outer earth realm, where humans live. Two of the most chiefly deities were Viracocha, creator of humans and all life, and secondly, Inti, the sun god and bringer of agriculture. These two gods are constantly involved in Incan society and play a big role in discerning lessons from this intriguing faith. Alongside this, there are a multitude of other deities and spirits, ranging from household idols to local divinities to other gods that were known throughout the Incan Empire. Incan mythology teaches the importance of harmony between humans, nature, and the spiritual world. Through stories of their gods, the Incas emphasized respect for the natural environment and gratitude for its resources and abundance. These myths also highlight values such as community, cooperation, humility, and balance, showing that survival and prosperity come from working together and honoring forces greater than oneself. The Incan society is one that harnesses a strong evocation of environmental praise, awareness, and respect. Humans have long thought themselves above this oasis planet and our fellow animals. The Inca embraced the symbiotic relationship of humanity and nature, adapting their living styles to match, taking what the earth blessed them with, but reciprocating these bounties through their revering worship and devotions. Their pantheons and sacred ideals showcase a wide array of valuable characteristics that modern humans can begin translating into our fragile ecosystems. These more simplistic moralities of the Incan people provide smart tactics on how to exist in such tumultuous times. Sometimes all we need to rely on are ourselves, nature, and the trust between them. Here is a list of 5 major tenets that encompass the Incan world. 1. Respect for Mother Nature. Treat our surroundings with safety and a soft touch. This earth is what breathes life into our bodies. 2. Our lives should be attuned harmoniously with the environment. The unique circumstances of our place in the universe has been divinely placed into our care. 3. Work hard, do not lie, and do not steal. These morals promote the basis of a fair and just society. 4. The tenets of civilization and order are flexible but can also be as easily taken away from us. It is rare for humans to exist in such complex systems that promote the overall well-being of one another. 5. Power systems can indoctrinate whole empires. Through instilling specific beliefs and ideologies via certain leaders, methods, or benefits, governments or social structures have the potential of corrupting or misleading their followers. And now, you may be interested in a brief Incan myth story that adds to the credibility of these previous examples. A famed saga in the Andean archive can be summarized in the following account. Long ago, the god Viracocha traveled through the Andes disguised as a poor old man. As he entered villages, many people mocked him or turned him away, unwilling to share their food or shelter. At last, he came to a small home where a humble farmer and his family welcomed him warmly, offering what little they had. Pleased by their kindness and humility, Viracocha revealed his true form and blessed the land around their village, making the crops grow strong and the people prosper. The story teaches that a virtuous life, marked by generosity, respect, and compassion, brings lasting rewards, even when no reward is expected. Our rewards surround us in everyday life, which is so incredibly blessed. Such unique mythologies, tales, and stories of these superb cultures deserve to be spread for the lessons they can pass along. Our world orders have had detestable ways of eradicating treasured knowledge and traditions of people like the Inca and many other civilizations. Lessons from Incan mythology can be applied to the 21st century by emphasizing balance, respect, and responsibility in modern life. The Incan belief in harmony with nature encourages sustainable practices and environmental care at a time when the planet faces serious challenges. Their strong focus on community reminds us of the value of cooperation, mutual support, and putting collective well-being above pure individual gain. Finally, Incan myths teach humility, recognizing that humans are not above nature or one another, which can guide ethical leadership, social justice, and mindful use of technology in today's world. It goes to show that sometimes it is better to be patient than aggressive. This is Colton, thinking of living harmoniously with nature spirits, signing off. If we listen closely, we can hear the reverberations of humanity telling us to remember, realize, and reflect.